Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the Wear OS app. Once you open the app, wait until the watch is done connecting to your phone. Once it says connected right here, scroll down, tap on the advanced settings, then tap on the disconnect Falster 3, then tap on disconnect, and the watch will disappear from the app. It will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings we can tap on Bluetooth. You should see Falster 3 right here on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. And once you're done, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.